Get ready for your next once-in-a-lifetime adventure, Thailand. This 2020 first quarter incentive trip includes a journey to two incredible cities, Bangkok and Phuket. It's not just one night in Bangkok, it's 4. Bangkok welcomes more visitors than any other city in the world. Shop your heart out in sprawling malls and floating markets. Treat yourself to a legendary Thai massage. Take a step back in time at ancient temples and ruins, and this city comes alive at night. Next, we'll head south to one of the world's finest beach destinations and spend 3 nights in Phuket. This seaside escape is famous for its beautiful beaches, clear water, and coral forests. This is where luxury meets culture. There's only 40 spots available, so book, sell, share, and repeat during the first part of 2020 to earn an expedition to the city known as the Venice of the East.